Morning, everyone. Yeah, bit of a bit of an headache this morning, only a tiny bit, just fuzzy. But how you all doing? New day, but we're leaving this one today. Never mind, got another one to go to, but we've got to go home soon on Sunday. Don't want to but kids have got school again. Back to reality. Yeah, like I was saying, you know, when I was doing the sticker yesterday. Hang on, up there. No mention, did I? They have a YouTube channel. Obviously, you could probably imagine with them having a sticker, but it's Chris and Sam living the dream. Hey up, guys, how you doing? We're going to have to sort camping out with you, as we haven't done nothing yet, have we? Haven't seen you since, what, January?
February.
February, was it?
Yeah, because it was for your birthday.
Well, February, so March,
yeah.
April, May, June. 4 months. Going to have to sort something out for camping, ain't we? I'll have to give you a ring. Well, Tina was actually just talking to you then, so it'll probably be tonight anyway. Well, this video ain't going to be on for a bit, because obviously it depends on what part it's going to be anyway, so this might be a few weeks down the line before this video comes out. But anyway, you want the wipes? Hang on, guys. Guys and girls, sorry. It's not guys, it's guys and girls. Before anyone pulls me. But you all know what I mean. A lot of YouTubers do it, don't they? Sorry, a bit runny nose because I've just had a sneezing fit. It been me hay fever.
I fell over yesterday.
Oh, but yeah, so check him out on YouTube. Chris and Sam living the dream. He's also got 2 other channels. He is on about doing another one. I don't know when he's doing that yet, but one of them's Just Love Fishing, but love is spelled L-U-V. And Just Love Finches, same way, L-U-V. Because he's got like a little aviary in the garden, and he's got a fishing channel as well. And then Chris and Sam living the dream, where basically they travel around in their old motorhome, Big Bertha.
Yeah,
some of yous might be on here anyway from their channel, but if none of yous ain't, go and check them out. They're a lovely bunch. Got 2 Rottweilers as well, Rambo and Sapphire. But we do have to do a meet up with them again soon. We ain't seen it for a bit, and we miss yous. We do. Been talking about you this morning actually, saying about obviously when we come over, about dogs getting all excited to see us and that.
You know.
So we'll have to come and see yous camping or whatever. Now we got the caravan, it's going to be so much easier. Oh, I did say I was going to take you around the caravan properly, didn't I? And I still ain't done it. I haven't done the review of the awning. I need to, didn't I? Might do that whilst we're away in it now, because we're not going to be using this for a bit now, because we're away end of June with Melbourne Static. We haven't got nothing planned for July, but I don't know if we're going to have the money anyway in July, because we've got a few things we've got to pay for. But obviously we'll let you know. But we haven't got nothing for August. But we'll sort something out. Might just be a little weekend or something, but we'll sort something. We want to try and get away definitely in August.
What are you going with them on?
We want to definitely try and get away in August for a week, with it being the school holidays, but it just depends on how much it's going to be. Because school holidays, everything's like doubled, tripled than the normal price. And obviously, I'm not willing to pay, like say if we went to a Haven or a Park Dean for a week, for instance, I'm not willing to pay £200, £300, £400 for a week when it's out of season. You can go away for that week for like, say what, 80, 90 quid, maybe 100 quid. So yeah, I'm not. What?
Tell them what Bev did. Bev and Steve.
What?
Money.
Oh yeah, bless them. Couple next to us, Bev and Steve, did you say? These here, I'll just show you, because they've got a motorhome in A-class. It's like nice actually. There. They work. She works from the van, so obviously we've got to keep quiet, don't want to disturb her. And obviously he works in robotics construction. And bless him, last night obviously I put the awning door down because it's getting a bit chilly.
Find him.
And Tina was, what were you doing? You were in the van doing something, weren't you?
Your crisp.
You were doing something, weren't you? So yeah, the stalker said hello. I was like, hello. And then I struggled opening the door, and it was Bev, bless her. She gave the kids a £5 each for being good as gold on campsite, you know, because they've been quiet and been good. So she gave them a £5 each to go and spend in the arcades at where we're going next. So I thought, bless them. So shout out to you both if you see this video, and hopefully we might see you on the road again. But it is a beautiful little motor. Well, little. It's got to be a good 7.5 metres long. Move out the way. It's an A-class. Can you see it? It's a beautiful van. Oh, jealous though. I'd love a van. It's just easier. You can do some wildcat. Well, that's going to be the next thing on the list at some point. Don't know when that's going to be. This has got to last us a fair few years yet, so we've got to keep on top of it.
They gave me football too.
Oh yeah, they gave Andrew football too. Steve gave it him when was it? Friday? No, when was it?
No.
Monday night, wasn't it?
I can't remember when it was. He just pulled it out of the garage on the van and passed it him.
No, he said to me, "Oh, do you play football?" And I said, "Yeah." And then that's when he...
Nah. Well, you left yours at home, didn't you? Right, you got that now, so that could just sit in the caravan when we're moving along.
Yeah. That one needs pumping up anyway at home.
Yeah, I know. I ain't got a pump for it, that's the problem.
Is Granddad?
Doubt it. You got to have one of them hand pump things for them.
Do you want a coffee to wake up?
Yeah, no. Not with me fuzzy head.
Might make it better, you know.
Well, we'll do it then. I'll give it a go.
Yeah, to put your cat.
Yeah, got some like got some lovely cats here. Bit nervy round you, which I'm quite surprised about with it being a campsite.
It sits here, but it doesn't come to you.
See, the cat was sitting here blind in one eye by the looks of it. It just sits,
back over, look.
just sits at the awning door there and watches us. And then a little dog called Sandy, a little whippet. We thought it was a puppy, to be honest, because it was quite small for a whippet. But it's 12 years old. Oh yeah, there she is. Or she. Can you see him on camera? Because I can't.
Come on.
There he is. Looks like only a little kitten.
Come on, yeah.
Can they see it on camera, though? Because I can't see my screen.
Yeah.
Lovely. That's the blind one. That's the second time this morning it's come to us. It's a bit nervy.
Come on, then.
Bit nervy, but it just comes and sits here at the awning door and just watches us. Then yeah.
Come on.
Then.
Come on, then.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah, look, it's just sitting there now, look, see? He'll sit there for a little while and then go wandering off. Lovely colours on it, though. There's a few cats about, and then, like I said, the dog Sandy, 12 years old, but you wouldn't think.
She's a rescue dog.
Yeah, it was a rescue dog as well. But they just roam around the campsite. Obviously, they're owned by the people who own the campsite, but they just let them roam about, which I don't mind, though.
Got no rope or out to play with.
Yeah.
Don't play, does they?
No, they just roam about, didn't they?
Oh,
Blind in one eye, this one. Must have had an accident or something, a fight or something a while back. Lovely little cat, though.
Would you have a cat?
Not as a pet. I'd have a dog. That's another thing on the agenda. We're getting a bit broody over dogs because when we was at the last campsite, Barnard Castle, that festival that you've seen, what was it? A festival? What was it really?
Some kind of thing, wasn't it?
It's hard to say what it was because it wasn't brilliant for the music, but it was enjoyable. They had things there for the kids and that. But wow, so many dogs. I mean, every single person there must have had a dog, and there was loads of them. I tell you, the little sausage dogs, oh my god, they're so cute, and the amount there. If there's a small dog I would have, it would have to be a sausage dog. They are so cute. I don't know what your opinions are on them. I know sausage dogs can have, obviously, problems with the illnesses and that. No. But if there's a dog I'd have that was a small dog, it'd have to be a sausage dog. I just love them. They're just proper cute.
Yeah.
But that might be next thing. I don't know yet.
Can we do our cereal?
But yeah, so we've got to pack up soon. Don't want to pack up. The worst part's going to be Sunday. Sunday's going to be the worst one. Packing it up. Then we've got to go to storage. Then we've got to go home, back to reality. I know, don't want to. You see, if we were living in a static
We won't have to do school.
Yeah, you would.
No!
Yeah, you would.
Can you get the cooker out, please?
Oh, give me a minute, guys. Tina, what's your cooker? Well, stove.
16.
Me just throw it about. That's how you break things. You see, I've been jabbing on again. We've been on for 10 minutes again. That's actually another thing on the edge. Sorry, because with camera, I'm trying to do two things, so it's hard. If I had my tripod, it wouldn't have been so bad because obviously yous would be further away, so I'd be on the camera a bit easier.
What are you doing today?
I don't know yet. We've got to sort that out anyway and work out what's going in the car and what's going in the van. Talking about that, Mel, bless her, because apparently she used to have a Caravan. She's had a few. She had one she had on the back of the car at one point, and she actually had one sighted, left on the site, a twin axle, she said, but she had one similar to ours. She said she does miss it, but trying to get her into something else on, so it's a bit easier for her because her car that she's got, you remember that car, the 7-seater, the Citroen she's got, that is loaded to the roof.
And when I finish with
So,
put it back.
I says to her,
The entire house.
I said, why don't you have a look at one of them trailer tents? You know, they're a lot easier than putting a tent up, just unfolds and that's it, you're done pretty much. She said, oh, it's the awning, but don't have to have an awning. You've still got a sitting area in the middle and beds either side, so you don't have to have an awning. Or, talking of that, Mel, if you're watching this video, I saw a post. Oh, it was Neil from the nurseries where you're going to see where we're going. Before he was doing all this campsite warden business, he had a trailer tent and he had an awning that was a normal awning from anything. It weren't one for there, so it's like what we've got. I don't know how he attached it to it, but his was more like a square shape and it was just put up against the trailer tent and he used that. So, you know, you might not need a big one, just get a small awning. I'll have to tell you that, I'll talk about that when we ring you. But anyway, I'm going to leave this video here, 13 minutes now. I don't want to keep bugging you. I'll show you one last bit of the campsite again before we go, like I normally do, if I remember. You know, I'm terrible for it, but you know, you're rushing around getting things done and it just slips out your mind, doesn't it? And I've got to charge my phone up as well. Didn't do it yesterday and it's got to be getting low now. I think it's on 20% before I've done this video, so anyway, don't forget, I'm going to say this all the time because I just want the channel to build. We want the channel to build, get some more views to subscribe and build it up. We want to get up there with all the bigger lot so we can improve our video footage and improve on the videos and take you more places, because without yous, we wouldn't be doing none of this YouTube malarkey, taking you around. Oh yeah. We wouldn't be taking you around any of these places because I've got anxiety and depression and that. And I've got mental health. And when I first started YouTube, I wasn't expecting anything. I just thought I'd give it a go because a lot of people were pushing me. I thought, well, what have I got to lose? So I thought I'd do it. Obviously we were in the tent then. And now, because we're building up, we're building up slowly, but we just need that to push that little bit more. We just need that little bit of extra help. Because without yous, we wouldn't be doing none of these videos.
The red table.
What are you after?
The red.
Oh, sugar. So, please, 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 if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It really does help us. Especially if you enjoy the videos. I know some of them can be boring, but any YouTuber, anyone, it could be the biggest channel on YouTube, there could be an odd video that's boring. I mean, obviously for me the past year it's been hard because obviously breaking my legs, so obviously you don't have to watch them ones, but if you look further back, that's where the camping ones are with the tent. And now because we're in the caravan, obviously we're using that. But don't be alarmed, once my leg is better, if you enjoyed the tent business with camping, it is not gonna be going away. Once my leg is better, maybe another year or so, we don't know, we've got to see if I have to have another operation or what anyway, but I'll keep you all informed with that. The tent will be coming back, we're going to split it up, you know, because our channel's all about adventures, everything's an adventure, whatever we do. wherever we go, whatever we talk about. So it's like now at the minute.
Where's the tray?
It's here. Here.
When I put these.
Just go.
There we go. So, like now, we're in the caravan, but we're doing some statics as well, static caravans in place. Like the first video we done back at camping, we were in a static. Been in this since. Oh, 1 minute. Right, let me get back to you in a bit. I've just got to go and help this fella with his electric. I'll be back in 2 secs. Sorry about that, guys. Someone was having trouble with their electrics. It looks like it's the main box there, so obviously they've got to get in contact with the owner, see what they can sort, because they pay for the electric. So I made sure I said, well, if you don't use it, make sure you get your money back for it. Harvey's there, eating his breakfast. Andrew, Tina's there.
I fell over yesterday.
Yeah, I know, I'll tell them about that in a minute when I finish what I was saying. Like I was saying, I had to look back at the video, what I was talking about the caravan and stag. We're going to mix it up a bit. So when my leg's better, we're going to have the caravan, the tent every so often, and statics. So you're going to get all 3. Obviously not the motorhome yet. Maybe in the future. Like I say, I'm still young. We're going to be on YouTube for many, many years to come. But like I said, we need yous. Without yous, we wouldn't be doing this. So we need yous to help us build. So do us all the good stuff and subscribe to us, especially if you're not already subscribed. Just check back as well, because YouTube are known for this by taking yous off the subscription for some reason. So just check back, make sure you've got that subscribe button subscribed, and it'll mean the world to us as well if you do that. And obviously we mentioned in the past we want to do a live, but I want to get more people involved in the live. Just have a little chat and conversation at somewhere, and obviously to walk in and take you around the campsite live if we've got good internet and that. Because I don't want to be doing a live and no one shows. So, you know, more people that subscribe to us, the more the word gets out there, so the more people we can get on the live as well, so we can all communicate, have conversations, have a laugh.
Nearly done anyway.
We are going to do a Facebook group at some point, which I've mentioned in the past. I just haven't got round to it, being busy with sorting this out the past month. Yeah, and obviously yesterday when we were at the party, remember it was me showing you when Andrew was on that little roundabout thing spinning? He fell off it, didn't he?
Andrew, grab my glasses.
Literally went flying off it, bless him, but he was alright. It was all soft ground, all like the rubber mat things on the floor, so he was okay.
My glasses off.
He was laughing about it, to be fair.
Glasses.
But anyway, I'm going to get off now because I need to charge my phone because it's about probably 15-16% now, and I've got to charge it because I need to get to the other campsite as well. No, I don't need to. So anyway, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a comment, and if possible, if any of you have got any social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any of this TikTok malarkey as well. We was going to do a TikTok thingy, but I'm not very technical with things like that and didn't understand how it worked, so I thought, no, I'm not doing all that. And when I was trying to put pictures and things on, you can literally do like 1 or 2 at a time, and it was like, that was just going to take me forever. So anyway, you all take care, and we'll see you probably once we've packed up, because we're having this coffee now, and then we'll be getting packed up and ready to go again. Oh well, see you soon, guys. You take care. Ta-da for now. Oh guys, I've only gone and done it again, haven't I? Totally forgot to do a video when we left that site. We're actually on the other site now, Skirlington. So, just waiting now. Tina's just gone in the reception to pay and then get to our pitch and get set up. So, wait for Tina, get to the pitch, and we'll see you all soon. Ta-da for now.